Riu Samidoh niakorwo akiruta Mûkana kuri all the wives na ukorwo akiregana na ndeto ici na oho ukorwo akimera matigacokere ona hanini. Samidoh akiaria on behalf of all the men niakorwo akirekereria ndumiriri ino na oho kurekereria list ya indo iria marenda ta gift cia Christmas. Ino ndumiriri irongoreirio endwa na atumia ao na akauga oni manogetio ni thogithi they are tired of receiving socks as gifts kuma kuri atumia ao na ikorwo akimera ati this time round ni marenda indo ngurani, they want things done differently na akorwo akirekereria a list of items iria atumia ao kana endwa ao mangikorwo makimatuga nacio no ti thogithi aca toria their wives na their girlfriends makimenyeririe gukorwo magituga athuri ao na thogithi aca. This time round Samidoh akauga ati they want things differently, ni makorwo makihaica bei riu na he took to his social media pages na ukorwo akiaddress all the women out there na akimera wale wa what do men want as a gift, ndio hii jibu: pay for his car servicing, gym subscription, car tires, whiskey, a reading chair, track pants, a suit, shoes, sneakers, perfume, shirts, a nice watch. I could go on, but wacha tuachie hapo. Mambo ya socks za finji 2023 hatutaki. Tuhie tuitu turorwo wega. Samidoh riu akiuga ati ni maregana na maundu maya ma atumia ao gukorwo makimatuga na tuthogithi twa 50 bob. Akiuga aca mone maundu mahitukie ni mahinda na in fact aikorwo agitaja specifically indo iria mabatie gukorwo magitugwo nacio from now onwards. In fact Christmas ino guthie all the way nginya mwaka wa 23 and onwards ti thogithi aca na akauga indo ta kumurihira subscription yake ya gym, kumugurira ka whiskey, gatiga guthoma, gathuti, turatu, sneakers, ka perfume kana ona gathaa kega. Akauga icio nicio indo megukorwo makiamukira and this is a message to their wives na ni ndeto ya mukiro wega muno ni fellow men na makorwo makihurira Samidoh makofi ni kwaria on their behalf makiuga ni makoretwo mahinyĩrĩrĩkĩte ihinda inene muno and now finally ni kwagia mundu ukumaririra na ti ungi ni Samidoh na koguo this time round all they want is car servicing, gym subscription, car tires, whiskey, shoes, a nice watch, no ukimo surprise ginya na track pants, a reading chair na gathi na mbere na kuga ati the list could go on, it's a long list. Ni haria ona ambe atigire hau akiuga with these few examples atumia na their wives no ginya maikorwo ni magia an idea of what he's trying to put across ati these are the kind of gifts that they want na koguo riu it's up to Ide and all these other wives out here menya riu kire megukorwo magituga endwa ao athuri ao no ti thogithi aca. Samidoh ni arega na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.